What's up, guys? Johnny here, and I am coming back with a vengeance. I am going to be uploading content every single day for the next 30 days again as a challenge and as a way to get myself set back up on YouTube so that way I can provide great content to you guys daily. I have been slacking off due to a career change, getting sick, and the holiday season. Just couldn't find the motivation to even do it. So now I am back on track. It is actually January 27th, or I'm sorry, no, December 27th. And I wanted to start this before January 1st as a way to prove myself that I can. Now, I have done 30-day video upload challenges in the past and succeeded, which was awesome because I got so much feedback from all of you guys out there requesting videos and requesting just different types of stocks that I should investigate or do research on, as well as all the comments and awesome support and feedback from all my followers and subscribers. Now have over 1,500 subscribers on YouTube. I'm very proud of that number. It is a small channel. I am humble, but I do appreciate all of your support and help. And I just want you guys to smash that thumbs up button for me and support me by subscribing to the channel because I have a lot of content coming your way. You guys have an awesome day. I appreciate your time. And again, if there's anything that I can do for you as far as researching a specific stock or giving you some insight into my life, or even any of the side hustles that I do or small businesses that I've created. If you have questions on how you can start your own small business, again, you could reach out to me. By no means am I an expert. I'm just a guy trying to hustle just like everybody else, but willing to provide my insight and experience to help you guys learn faster and smarter than where I was at when I started my journey. So hope that helps, and you guys have a great day. Video number 1 is this one right here, and video number 2 is going to be linked right up here. Hit the card, and we'll have video number 2 coming out probably within the next 10 or 12 hours.